chicken is really busty. It's really nice. It's really yummy.
I'd like to see this movie, please.
Excellent choice, Marinette.
Master food.
I'm putting some vinegar in my water. That pipe on. And along with that, I'm going in with lemon, okay? So make sure you clean that chicken nicely. All right, clean all over your chicken. And you want to make sure you get rid of all of these stuff from in here. Maggi. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of Maggi. We want some nice, fresh, yes. And I'm going to go in with Goya. Okay. Say about a tablespoon of Goya. Guys, don't come at me. Like I said, always, I do not measure, okay? Then I'm gonna go in with some jerk season. This is the Easispice one. Yes, guys, it's baked chicken, so all right. And I'm using 2 tablespoons of that. I want some nice baked chicken once, okay? Then I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of paprika. I normally use smoked paprika. You can definitely use it. It's the same thing. All right, season up meat, nice. And I'm going in with about a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm also going in with my Italian herbs. And y'all know me, I talk about Italian herbs before. How nice it is on your meat. Makes your meat nice and flavorful, guys, okay? And I'm using about a tablespoon of that. Italian herbs, guys, like I said, it's really, really nice on your meat. And from that, and I'm going in with my blended seasoning, okay? You can do this on your own. I'm using 1 big scoop. I would say this is about 2 tablespoons, okay? Guys, and let me tell y'all, you can definitely go ahead and use this one in the bottle. As for these seasoning right here, you can definitely feel free to blend it up. But for right now, today, I'm not going to blend it. I'm just going to go in with my original stuff. And you want to pour all that seasoning right there in your meat. Give it a rub and give it a stir and let your meat put to marinate, all right? And here, I would go in with about ½ teaspoon of salt. The other seasoning already have its salt, so you do not want to salt your meat too much. Now, I'm going to share something with y'all that I really do enjoy when it comes to doing my baked chicken. I like to do a little bit of orange juice. Orange juice lets your meat be really, really soft, guys, and taste really, really nice. You don't have to do this, okay? This is something new on my, you know what I'm saying. But you can completely omit that part. And then now you want to go in. And you want to let that, give that a good rub, guys, okay? Give that a good rub. And make sure you put all that seasoning under, look. Make sure you get these places. Put all that seasoning under there. Okay, lift up the skin, guys. Rub up underneath the skin. Let everything get that good, nice seasoning up under there. Okay. Right here, and I'm going to cover this and put it to marinate. And I'm going to definitely show you guys the... So here's my chicken, y'all. And I'm about to put it straight into the oven. Okay. So we're getting our chicken straight into the oven. Our oven is preheated at 365 degrees. That's how I put my oven, okay? Now this is my sauce, and some people put it on the stovetop, but for me, guys, I don't have to do that. I don't do it like that. I just make it in a little bowl, and the sauce ingredients is in the description box below. This is my chicken. I do bake it with the foil on top in the first portion. And as you can see, it was baking for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to coat the top of my chicken with my sauce, baked chicken sauce, okay? So go ahead and get that sauce on top. This is how the chicken looks. Now I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for a couple more minutes, and then remember, whatever you do to one side, do it to the other side, okay? All right, y'all, this is it. This is the end result of my chicken. This is on the other side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're coming back, welcome, okay? And this is my dinner, y'all, okay? So please do enjoy. Watch my son.